guys, today we're going to be doing a bathroom spring refresh of my half bath downstairs that guests use. Up until now it's been Koa's room, like his cat litter and his water and his food is in there, but our baby shower is coming up this weekend and it's time that I finally do something with that bathroom so it's presentable for guests. And Walmart is helping me out, so thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring this video. I got a whole bunch of things from there. Let me show you. I got this wallpaper. It's just like a simple one. I actually got two because I couldn't decide because they're both super cute, but I decided to go with the more black and white one. I got some shelves, and then I got a couple accessories like a cute candle, it's a jasmine scent, and a little canister to put like cotton balls or Q-tips in, some cute little plants to add some color. And then I got a new hand towel that I thought worked really nicely. I think that's it. Oh, I also got this rug, and I also got a trash can because I needed a new trash can. Sister is here. She's going to help me because obviously I'm pregnant and I can't get up on a ladder. Ed would not forgive me. So she's going to be helping me. I have a few other accessories I'm going to be putting in the bathroom as well. So yeah, let's go.
All right, quick shot of what the bathroom looks like before we get started. It's super plain. We've been here for 2 years and we've done nothing. Currently, Koa's water and food and cat litter is in here, but we definitely need to make this space presentable for guests, and it needs color. It needs something. But first things first, I need to get it cleaned up. I'm going to get all Koa's stuff out, sweep it up, and make sure it's nice and clean before we get started. And because it makes it so much easier to apply wallpaper on the wall, it's really helpful if you measure the wall first, the space that you want to use for the wallpaper, and cut it in strips ahead of time. It just makes applying so much easier and less stressful. Walmart really saved me time and worry with easy, safe shopping. I ordered everything for delivery, which helped a ton. If you're looking to tackle easy spring home improvement projects that not only add value and enjoyment to your home, but also reflect your personality and style, I highly suggest shopping at Walmart. They really do have the best quality and a stylish spring assortment. Walmart helps you spring into everything, empowering customers with quality ideas to easily update their home and create relaxing destinations inside and out. Speaking of outside, we'll get to it in a minute, but all 5 kids and my husband are outside doing some spring cleaning outside to make sure that everything is ready for our baby shower. We'll get to that in a minute, but let's first finish the bathroom. Choosing sticky wallpaper is really the best decision for me. It's easy, it's quick, and it looks beautiful. It really does stick on strong and the back peels off effortlessly. I highly suggest that tool that Walmart sells right next to the wallpaper to help you smooth down the wallpaper easier, but this time I forgot it, but it does work without it as well. On the Walmart website, there are so many options. I couldn't decide, so I ordered 2 different kinds of wallpaper. I just had to see them in person before I could decide. I will probably use the other one in the guest bathroom because I love that pattern so much as well. Walmart also carries paint if you decide to go that route instead. It was just too much commitment for me at this time, but they have a great selection. I really love the shelves that I picked up at Walmart as well. They just go perfectly and add that little wood rustic vibe. With the accessories and candles on top, it looks adorable. I have to admit, this bathroom has been kind of like a dark hole for the past 2 years that we've been here. Since we entertain often, this bathroom is used by guests a ton. So I'm so excited that we're finally getting it done just in time to have people over for my baby shower. I wanted something with dimension and just like a little bit of pops of black and white with some greenery to add a little bit of color. I didn't want too much color in here. I wanted to kind of stick with a neutral palette. Thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring this video and helping me refresh my bathroom to get ready for guests. I always make sure in a guest bathroom that I add tons of toilet paper. There's nothing worse than like asking the owner of the house, for toilet paper when you've run out. I want my guests to feel comfortable and feel like they have everything that they need. So I add some like baby wipes there and some extra towels. I've seen this little cotton ball or Q-tip trick in a jar on so many organization videos and on the home edit, which I'm currently obsessed with. Do you guys watch that? But I just thought it was just a cute little touch and it looked like aesthetically pleasing. Stay tuned for the final reveal of the bathroom as soon as my husband can finish all the little pieces of wallpaper that I miss. But meanwhile, I'm going to go outside and get started on working on the rugs. Look how dusty they are from the construction nearby. It's terrible. I just had to get these cleaned up. I wanted to wash them, but my husband said he was going to power wash them instead, which makes so much more sense. But I want to get the majority of the dust off first so that he can get ready to power wash. Surprisingly, it's been very cold here in Vegas until lately, and we just neglected our patio furniture. There's just been like caked on dust from nearby construction. So we just really needed to give everything a power wash and spot treat to the cushions and get everything back in place so we can get ready to have guests. Back inside finishing up the bathroom. My husband is amazingly talented at like fixing pieces and making sure that everything is perfect, because obviously the panels that I made did not fit perfectly. So he is the perfect person for the job to finish up the bathroom wallpaper. Okay, here is the bathroom. It looks perfect, exactly what I wanted. The wallpaper turned out cute. I think I'm gonna put some like white sheer curtains later. I'll have to stop by Walmart later on this week. I think that would be a nice little finishing touch. But everything looks good. The rug, the trash can, my little extra station here. And I love the way like the grays go together, but we got a little pop of greenery. And this is what I chose for on the shelves. I got this at Walmart. It's a sheer jasmine candle. I just think it's like really pretty with the wood top, the cotton balls, and a cute little greenery thing I also got at Walmart. And that's about it. I am going to add some pictures here. When I go to Walmart for the curtain, I'm going to get some frames and add some like cute black and white pictures here with some green like succulents on them that I saw that I'm going to print out online. This was a really affordable, quick spring refresh that we just did in like a half a day. Super pleased with it. Let's go outside.
I can't wait for the baby shower.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
You guys, babe, you gonna have fun today?
And we're gonna have snow cones.
Yes, we're gonna have lots of fun.
Yay!
Okay, so this is the day after the party. I didn't get a chance to film before the party went down, so we've got like snow cone mess everywhere. But this was perfectly clean yesterday before everyone arrived. But we set up our furniture here. The rugs are nice and clean. Spot treated the furniture. I mean, some of the stains are not going to come out. I mean, I have kids, but I love the setup right here, and it's going to be so nice at nighttime with the fireplace. We got everything off of the lawn, and the kids were playing football here, so my husband made a little mini football field. But it looks great. Everything is good. We spray washed all the furniture and the tables and the furniture here, but we're gonna have to do it again because we've got snow cone mess from yesterday's party. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a shot from that, but it looks good. A little bit of a spring refresh, and we're getting ready for summertime to swim. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.